Na muma yogora ria yekiano. Na modo over drink.
Oru.
No, here we are very insecure. Yes. And overly egoistic.
Muno.
Honey, this is you know, it's Andrew. He was my boyfriend for 5 years. We almost got married. Oh, I've heard a lot about you. So it's you, Andrew. What do you do now? Oh, I'm seeing you in a tech savvy company. Oh, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Hey.
Kuri. Ginya ati umwirage ati I've heard about you. Mukiaririra ki?
Ati toka wakari. Oyu uri. Ngwetago Ciro. Nyo na reda ndikitwo kuria Karen. Ni muthuku. Oyu ni we twako hamwe. Na kijarira kana. Mugeithie
ona methia atwara anyirite.
Ogo tutihana ogo. We are not that. If that is being liberal,
totikinyete hau twe bado.
Hapana. We maundu maku ma teneri.
Maikare ona kou.
Ya kale ya baki wapi?
Na huko silisopita
si duele. Ati makiage na giki.
That is a very bad statement.
Very horrible.
Ati tiagukenagia.
We had so much fun with him. This time he took me to Hawaii. We had so I absolutely remember that. I don't need muyetu weta Kate Winslet. Kate Winslet today. To the mother kire the maya Titanic mena Leonardo DiCaprio who he had aragia Kate Winslet na Kate Winslet ne mo ikwe na muthu okay wes you go here ho there Leonardo DiCaprio ka gathire Leonardo, you know I love you from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. I've never loved you more. Na moro meha
waje ucoke ginya ukoro imuraciria ucoke uhuthire ciugo ta icio
wiro cio kwa makurugama aiko cio mura tenia wira na riu ni monigire mwenda nari
we
ati Leonardo, you know I love you so much. I don't know, you are just an adorable part. Na moro meha we na ginya ka hura ruhi oko cio ni ngihurwo ruhi
ikuhuriro agihuriro ruhi
hapana
ni ruhi agihurwo
guku ri mihakari ni tumikiraga itoka wega
bio clear demarcation
tuhuraga itoka yes na tugakura ti
no arituhia
guku tumenya itherũ riu rinini ni ha maundu matari
mega
kama meria tumenya ni kaharukagia ki
mwatu
on ajere ono uke forbid ginya ukona mundu ucio ri wagaria kunyonia atia
wenda kunyonia atia
andu ngiconoka
githeri mundu ucio to mwaragia
kigambiria mbere ya andu hau uria mwari nake no uria mwake na mwe mutu hapa. No, you can't do that.
Hey we
uka Sera on mutumia akwa Sera ri Gai kana bisaidia siko album ine ha muiso-ini Sera ri ni twako nake de makerere ri ndi kara ndari kidi kire kumia kena ri kuma twe cukuru Sera twari mundu na mundu wake miakena na kiagenagia muno Sera Ngai Sera no ahikire kwa Sera cio tie ndahika we no go don't sound so
you are inviting trouble.
Assume I kon no agire handu hangi ugituika busy ri assume
ikarona busy yo
yes na nikiona oko ni uri ex yaku area ri ni utegera muno kumwira meet
my wife
or my husband daga tu hoke men
yes I maintain diplomatic standing
and social distance. Use COVID rules. 3 meters. It's especially we Africans have a ego.
It's from here to Limpopo.
kaoneka ya kama iteka
karuka oneka nini
wito ni uruga oshipo
goko shagi ni munene
hey actually athunguri ani ukora nginya ex waku ni okirio hiki waku
goko ona ex yageciririo ni agoko hikiri kuigagwo macina ri
ya faulu hau na bao sana
angioneka ahurio takurahe
yes athungu ex yoka nginya ukona ex yoka na aciari yake na brother yake tondu makwendete na makayo handu
ugacoka ugathi ukahiga no kahikania na magoka
Makawa, congratulations Ronald, we are so proud of you. For those of you who do not know it, me and Ronald were in a relationship for around 7 years. He's an incredible gentleman. I want to tell you that, Lauren, you have a wonderful man. And I came with my mom and my father and my 2 brothers just to congratulate you and say have a lovely marriage.
Ko ngeiwa kwa njabura tha muikane uga ahogoi acio metekirio kuingira guku no
he mundu iho utaharukagwo ni thuti ni mutumithirie no ta ikara kando ucio koragwo yeke moda ni mokire
thaici
mokire ngai ai
marenda gutuonia atia niki
mundu ucio kwanjoria na mwana witu
nditigogo na marenda gututhukiria
na mwana ucio atuitwo mukuru Tanimba fire. Of course, men are the pride of an African man. Don't give you ex. You can't. You can't. Actually, some of us, especially the people who moderate events, hemuratawa kwa wa hero wira wa MC. Da menyete wega korie ni MC yo ikiwa ex wake yake.
Batie kumekaja.
You see, Makaji, it was Matha ni mathiete muno. Na ni ari muri he.
Ucio ni wira muru muno.
Na ciate ni afatie mbeca ireku. Riu kwa uragoro he akauga ni oguo.
Hey, that is a very bad day in office.
Ko no gutwaro kaburi ka weto aku.
Ukonagio.
Kalilire ho. Aya haya basi makofi ya bibi ya Lucy. Fikiseni hapo. Dogia msio
ikiwa. No tinde uru muno.
Wewe. Ndio no mresema ni amaitho.
No tinde uru.
No mresema ni amaitho. Ucoke kwanja riu wone riu uria moya na ri. He kiundu amwarahura. Haria we utakinyagia ndau. No kona riri uri uramuhikia ri ndoi we wari ex ukona
na ndungitangatha igongona ini riu
ukona au ohutio kiande kautio kiande yayo ni muhikania ni aje unafanya job fiti sasa ndio naro rauga ya no unafanya job fiti sana kuna friends wangu sema tu team G-Wagon team G-Wagon usema tu team G-Wagon watarepresentiwa na Alfie sawa team G-Wagon watu wako na G-Wagon zitapita pale mbele mawako ikarete hau. She's enjoying watching you being given instructions like a small boy.
By the one who replaced you.
Like a toy boy.
Gutiri undu riu ngikumania to hingine to cio.
Yes.
Ndu yaria ni makeheagwo handu ha kubaria. Especially arata ahakuhi na muhiki na muhikania.
Yes.
Oigwe mwario mwe trajectory ya miario ni amuonia ati ni akuonia atiriri.
Yes.
Mundu mutana tigana ri. Already ni moyanite na aria na arata ake makamenya.
Wega kana kaigwa team G-Wagon muga atiriri. Thank you guys na feel poa boys wetu Alex amepata wife Emma, thank you we are team G-Wagon. Tunakukaribisha and sijui kwa nini UMC ananikalia familia sana but
hey, yeah.
Kau mali sa uende.
Okapo sura baya
ndio arihito magana mau matatu na ni urite meri na nduri na gya gucokia ni gutie kindu kiuruto utari na kamba koro na cio gicitenge mani hau weke atia
umagare
ni urite MC are doing a good job and I hope you also have a wedding like this someday.
We are dokire be
man yoro ona utakire ya gohiki ucio kana waria ukaria na mathara ugiitangaga maki no ko akora riu relative amwe aku kwa mwetu ni marakuririkana and your small contribution then
your humble contribution
kayo ni kwita gerie mbere ya andu ore ke tuge MC gitoero kiria ndakweririe ni ngoro njega matirahutia kindu
ndukamakia ati ni mapesa maingi
ngoro yaku ri niyo thahabu yaku na nyonie torekirio na nduthi
ai gukite na kauba baridi
no tukuige ndukana make nawe ni ukigiekire muno bakiruta wira mwega muno
tungikuiga njomoko wi sawa
ona magikena no amwikirwo kaundu na ni wakimwendete okay audio ne team G-Wagon ni AGMC utakam evening kana masugli kidogo so evening ni okwaje ukoro i romantic ni uko inagija contact
you can't stand it
eta ondo public display public display of affection do geria uko igwa makina the house go and broken
manyita nite
no the ego in African man who not let us
no tinde uru
ono ikoro ikara kundu area kure ex waku mena reception yo iki ukiamba guthama muthenya ucio
ndungirara ku
you can't ukawo thimu ni aje bena eski urede mwako tuko wedding yake bali we siame ole wana wala lu uyo wana lu akona do uyo wana lu akona do wala yo didei hata tami waine
acha haiko vile wena dhate vili
MC yo ikiwa ex wako
acha
wapi dur pigeni acheni na wewe mwenye keki ni uharakisha sio kutulalisha huku ani mbaya
mbaya sana
mbaya